Hi, this is Richard from Sleephaven Property Services. We're just at our latest project for one of our private landlords, and we're doing a bit of a property refurbishment. It's a small property in Northampton, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a full redeck throughout the property, and we're doing a replacement kitchen. So this is before. So just having a look, it's a nice clean property, but it needs updating. It's sort of very dark, very dull. A lot of the paintwork is sort of dark. I would imagine the previous tenant was a bit of a smoker. So you look at the doors, they're all very yellow, and it just needs really brightening up. So we're going to give this a lick of paint. The carpets are fine. We'll give those a clean because we give a free carpet clean whenever we do a property refurbishment or decoration. Coming through, having a look at the bathroom. In here it's not too bad. What we're going to do is regrout the tiles, that's fine. The landlord was going to look at replacing the bathroom, and we said save your money, just needs a bit of regrouting. We're going to replace the flooring in here. A little bit of work on the toilet, but there was no need to go to the expense of putting a new bathroom suite in or anything like that, because for what the property is, and the expense that the landlord was going to pay for, it's not going to get a return on the investment. So we said no, we'll just give it a lick of paint, do a couple of little jobs like the flooring, and that'll be fine. Coming through here onto the landing. Now, got this dark woodwork here, so what we've said, let's get this painted white, get it primed, undercoated and painted, so it's going to make it a lot brighter as well with the landing. So we're going to give this a lick of paint all the way through, brighten this all up. It's going to make it a bit more of an open feel. If you come through here, and the main work to be done is going to be in the kitchen. So if you follow me through here, Dan, please. And we have a look in here. Kitchen really outdated. So we're going to stick a new cooker in here, extractor fan, taking all the tiles out, going to retile in here, put a new kitchen in, brighten up these shelves here, and just give it a lick of paint. So and through here into the sort of the lounge area, I'm going to do this as well. Looking to replace these convector heaters as well, because they're looking very old, a bit tatty. So landlords asked us to give a price on that as well. So this is the before picture or before video. The boys are just going to start sheeting up, start preparing, and we'll see in the next video how we do. Okay, take care. Hi. Now, as if by magic, we're at the property again, and it's all done. So with a swirl of my magic wand, we're here. So what we've done for the landlord at this property is we've painted throughout. As you can see, much brighter now. We use a cream on the walls and satin wood on the skirtings, and it's really brightened it all up. So it's looking all good, nice and clean in here, and we've done professional carpet clean all throughout the property, as when we do that free of charge when we do a redeck. If Dan just swings round over here, you can see Ashley, who we work with at Steve Farmer Plumbing, heating engineers. They put new heating throughout the property, done a great job, and got some new convector heaters in there. And it's really brightened the place up, and they're going to be a lot more efficient for the landlord. If you follow me through here, as you can see, into the bathroom. Oh, get the light on so you can see. New flooring we've put in here, nice new flooring, new bath panels gone in there, and we've just had a bit of a spruce up and a lick of paint on the woodwork through here. Coming through to the landing, now this was all dark wood here, and it really closed in the area, made it quite dark and gloomy, and it made it look dated. So what we've done, we've put some Zinza sort of primer on there, and then we've then gone over it with a couple of coats of satin wood, and it's just brightened up the whole place, made it look a lot more modern and spacious. So if you follow us down here, coming through, same colours throughout, nice cream walls, satin wood again throughout here, carpets all been cleaned, another convector heater's got in there and in here for the landlord, and in here what we've done, we've put in a new kitchen. So we've ripped out the old kitchen, new kitchen has gone in, new oven, cooker, hood, and the cupboard's gone in there, and we've retiled. Nice white tiles, just makes it a lot cleaner and a lot sharper. And obviously again here with the woodwork, we just come round here down. Again, these were all sort of the dark wood, and it just made the place look really sort of dark and closed in. But now we've got a lovely little place here for somebody, new kitchen, and they've got tenants already chomping at the bit to move in, and they're gagging. So I've just got to walk round with the landlord, show her everything, make sure that she's happy, and it's another job done. So if you're a landlord, property investor, letting agent, and you need a property refurb, decorating, flooring, guttering, roofing, anything, we'll do anything to get a property ready for sale or let. So just give us a call on 01327 342 594. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots of useful tips, and subscribe and follow us. Take care.